What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I want to do this real quick. Now if you're having issues with your fuel pump resistor, this thing right here is usually located in the engine bay. It's literally bolted to the frame of the vehicle, well, frame of the car right here. All right, so we're gonna bypass it. Now the issue, when this goes bad, you'll have issues with the car starting. Sometimes the car will even shut off while you're driving. You know, whole time you're thinking it's your fuel pump, is that thing right there. So if you already changed your fuel pump, you changed your fuse, and you're still having fuel issues, there's a high chance that this resistor here is your culprit. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and get a flathead. So it'll be connected like that, and you obviously press down, disconnect it. You're just gonna bend it up as far as you can, and you see that tab right there. You're gonna get your flathead, and you're just going to slide it under that tab like that and just push up, and it's disconnected. Well, not disconnected, it's unmounted from the frame of this thing. So that's the little tab that's hooked onto. Now you have this free. Now the next part, like I said, do this at your own risk, but always when you're messing with the electricals, disconnect the battery, get you a pair of scissors or anything that can cut through the wire, and you just cut it, and now you have this connector separate from that. Now if you want to completely remove that, there are two bolts under the main part, like, you know, but it's like two I think it's an 8, like 2 8s. All right, so if you don't have wire cutters or wire strippers, I should say, definitely go get you one. They're very affordable. If you don't have that, you can definitely use a pair of scissors or you know, a blade. So what we're gonna, basically the idea, what we're gonna do is we're going to strip like probably a 1/4 inch off here and tack them together, and then use electrical tape to keep them together. Okay, I'm tripping. We're gonna need a little bit more than that shit. I'm pretty sure there's multiple ways to actually wire things together, but I'm gonna spread mine out like a flower. Together and just twist them like so. Alright, and there you have it, my little bypass connector. Alright, so what you're gonna do now is go ahead and get your connector and look out. That's it. For me, it's already been confirmed my fuel pump is bad. I already got it coming in. Should be here within a week or so, maybe less. Got it from Edge Autosport, and usually they waste no time. It's already been shipped. So now, like I said before, it does not affect the car, but please do it at your own risk. If you don't want to do it, don't do it. Based on my research, I've seen guys running it on their setup for, you know, months to years. So, but everybody's different. Everybody's setup is different, so you never know. So I'm going ahead and taking this risk because it's who I am. As soon as that fuel pump comes in, definitely gonna do a video on that and hopefully get this thing started. Now, real quick, I did the recent video that I did about the spark plugs taking a bath in freaking oil. I got new plugs and I got a new valve cover gasket. I believe that was definitely the problem, because the gasket that was on the car previously, it looks like the owner did not use OEM ones, and these were so bent out of shape, especially the middle ones. Now we're gonna move on to the fuel pump. Soon as all that is done, I will be getting to the exterior of the car. Soon as the engine bay, everything in the engine bay is running as should. Then I will finally give her a wash, because she deserves one. Not right now, but when she's up and running, she will deserve one. But all right guys, you know, I'm gonna cut it here. You know, if you made it this far, I appreciate you, and definitely like, subscribe for more content. And I'm almost at 100 subscribers, which is dope. Well, thank you for watching. Till next time, peace.